Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am up with 2-week full body workout.
Do you feel bloated after meals? Is your sleep cycle completely disturbed? Some days you don't feel like eating at all, while on others you crave for food at odd hours. You push yourself through extreme workouts, yet your weight refuses to budge. And eventually you find yourself slipping back into the old habits. But here's the truth. It's not just about a diet plan or a workout routine. It's about understanding what works for your body as a whole. Clean eating isn't enough. Your body needs food that can be digested and tolerated well. Exercising isn't just about moving more. It's about knowing when to move and when to rest based on your body needs. A woman's body is a complex mix of emotions, energy levels, and hormones. Some days you need to push yourself and others you need to prioritize recovery. That's why I bring to you the latest breakthrough. Recode 2025, the ultimate formula to recode your lifestyle in the next 90 days. For the first time ever, we have crafted a 100% personalized program designed to help you build a lifestyle which is sustainable, balanced, and healthy. Are you ready to recode your lifestyle and take control of your health in 2025? Let's begin your 90-day journey. Drop yes to know more.
To know more details about my program, you can check my description. But here is a wall of inspiration for all of us, a GT Fit community who has been getting some tremendous results with our guidance and a support, and that's how you can transform your life too. Check the link in the description and you can be a part of the challenges and the programs that I come up with as well, and especially this Recode 2025.
The tide comes in, pulls some sand back into the ocean. The land is lost, another fight it cannot win. The cycle begins. Clouds come in, turn from white to gray, then fade to nothing. They fall down to the ground just to be reborn again. The cycle.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, got the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song, I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh, yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song, I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, let's turn up the love.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.